Amphibians. So just to give you a refresher, what kingdom are we in? Animalia. What phylum? Chordata. And we have covered up to now about 12 classes in the phylum Chordata. The first 8 were invertebrates. Remember that? Okay. Phylum 9, 10, and 11. What do they all have in common? There are vertebrate chordates, so are any others we're going to cover from now on. But they're all what? Class 9, 10, 11. Fish. What's the simplest class of fish? Nope, simple. I'll pause. So instead of the simplest of fish, let's just cover the 3 classes of fish. The first one is, or any. Bony is called what? Osteichthyes. Okay? Then there's a class of fish without a jaw. Myxini. That would be the simplest. And then there's a class of fish made up of cartilage. Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes. Now we're in the class of Amphibia. And then for the remainder of the year, your projects will be reptiles, birds, and mammals. Yes? So within Amphibia, we're going to go a step further and we're going to do orders. There's 3 orders. You should know them from yesterday's assignment. What are they?
Frog, salamander, and...
That would be organisms in the order. Urodela.
Let me check what I wrote down. No, I forgot.
Anura. Caecilians.
I would not have gotten.
So amphibians are actually have an AKA, the group, okay? The class of amphibians have an AKA. Anybody know what it is? Look at these pictures and what is it describing? Yep.
Is it what?
Nope.
Land, water, and flying.
Land and water describes one of their AKAs. What is this describing?
Their life cycles,
Their change. Their AKA is like double life. They can live on land and water, and they also change from tadpoles to frogs or whatever. They metamorphosize in terms of their life cycle. So the history, the first amphibians were called terrestrial tetrapods. Who can break down that word? What does terrestrial mean?
on Earth.
Not on earth, on land. So they were like fish, but they actually lived on land. And they had what?
3 stages.
Tetrapods.
3 stages.
Tetra means 4-legged. Good. So as you guys said, they live on land and water. And this is a picture showing you their cycle. Like, so is this, but this is the cycle in terms of where they live. So when they're in the larva stage, they're in the water. And then as they develop, they come up to land as an adult. But when they want to reproduce, they go back to the water. So general characteristics, this should be easy, and this is the reason why I give you assignments, so that it just triggers immediately. Yes. Smooth and moist skin. Good job. 3-chambered hearts. Soft eggs. Cold-blooded, which means what? Their body temperature is determined by the temperature outside of them. Yeah, if they're in the water, if they're on land.